Biologist Raoul Schwing is conducting a series of experiments. A job that comes with its hazards.
Stop it. Keas are extraordinarily playful. In fact, as far as we can tell, they're the most playful bird species on the planet. Whereas most animals play when they're juveniles, Keas play far into adulthood, both on their own, but also socially.
Like most of us, animals only play when they're in the mood. Something that can be encouraged in Keas by giving them new objects or toys to play with. While Keas do sometimes play alone, Raoul's noticed how the playful mood of one can spread throughout the group. So he's setting up an experiment to test why their play appears to be contagious. Keas have excellent vision. They're attracted to vibrant colors, which stimulate a highly playful response in the group. That means using their beak to break things. But after some initial games, the novelty soon wears off. And the group's playful state comes to an end. Raoul thinks he's discovered a way to reignite their playfulness. He believes that Keas encourage each other to join in by using a particular play call.
As you can hear, the Keas are highly vocal creatures. One of their calls is only associated with play behavior, the so-called play call. It sounds a little bit like this. Wow, 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 wow.
Raoul thinks the sound of the play call alone has the power to change the mood of any Keas that hears it, causing them to instantly become more playful. He has recorded this call and is about to play it to the group for the very first time. At the moment, all is quiet, and the birds no longer seem interested in the toys. Will simply hearing the call make them want to play again? The response is immediate. The group bursts back into life. Those that hear it play with whomever or whatever they come across.
What we saw here, together with evidence from previous experiments in the wild, strongly suggests that those birds that hear the play call are put into a playful mood.
It's something that Keas have in common with us.
The effect is very similar to infectious laughter in human beings, where hearing someone laugh puts you in a better mood and makes things funnier.
This recent discovery is the very first time such an effect has been found in a bird.